We know that mere games often fritter away valuable time while inviting a cruel spirit of competition. However, exercises connecting alphabetical characters, especially if the words are positive, can be a good use of time to perhaps save your mind. A printable PDF is free at HeavenAndHealth.info. Exercise 1 places positive words on this board using these letters. Exercise 2 uses those same tiles but flipped over to show numbers and symbols for simple math equations. Then, with half the tiles flipped, Exercise 3 combines both on a rotated board to list inspiring Bible verses through searching the Scriptures. And since Bible study connects our minds with the Holy Spirit, its author, building character through connection with our loving Creator, the name of this 3-part exercise was inspired. Character Connector. Schedule daily exercises to increase math skills and vocabulary, memory and dexterity, cooperation, and, last but not least, spirituality. And all free of competition. What a relief. And it's free to you at HeavenAndHealth.info. The exercises are formulated for young children who are acquiring life skills, the elderly who wish to recapture vital abilities, and everyone in between who hopes to maintain them. Freely share as you are led. To God be all the glory.